Let me ask you something. You went to school for years. You learned history. You learned mathematics. You learned science. But did anyone ever teach you how money actually works? No, nobody did. And that one missing lesson is costing you every single day, right now, without you even realizing it. Today, that changes, because in the next few minutes, I am going to share with you the most important things about money that school never taught you. Stay with me. This might be the most valuable video you watch this year. Rule 1. Money is a tool. Most people think money is the goal. Get rich, buy things, be happy. But that is completely wrong. Money is not the goal. Money is a tool. Just like a hammer builds a house. Money builds your life. Nobody loves a hammer. You just use it to create something. Same with money. The question is never, how do I get more money? The real question is, what do I want to build with money? A peaceful life? A strong future? A better world for your family? When you answer that question, money stops controlling you, and you start controlling money. That is the first step to real financial freedom. Rule 2. Learn before you earn. Here's a truth that will shock you. Most people who get rich quickly lose it all just as quickly. Lottery winners, sudden business profits, big inheritances, gone in a few years. Why? Because they earned before they learned. Money in untrained hands disappears fast. Think of your financial life like a tree. Strong, deep roots mean a tall, strong tree. But no roots? One small storm, and it falls. Your knowledge is the root. Your wealth is the tree. Build the roots first. Read about money. Watch videos about saving and investing. Learn how budgeting works. Understand how to avoid debt. You don't need to be an expert overnight. Just one lesson at a time. Because slow learning always leads to strong earning. Rule 3. Spend less than you earn. This sounds simple, but almost nobody does it. Most people earn money and immediately spend it all. New phone, new clothes, eating out every day, then month ends. Zero in the bank. Sound familiar? The secret of every wealthy person is simple. They always spend less than they earn. Even a small difference matters. If you earn 100 and spend only 90, that 10 saved every month becomes your future. Small savings today, build big security tomorrow. Rule 4. Make your money work. Here is something the rich know that the poor don't. Rich people don't just work for money, they make money work for them. How? By investing. Putting money into things that grow over time. A savings account, stocks, a small business, even a small investment, grows slowly but surely, like a seed becoming a tree. You plant it today, you water it with patience, and years later, it gives you fruit. Your money should never just sit. It should always be moving, always growing, always working, even while you sleep. Rule 5. Protect your future self. One last rule, and this one is the most important. The person you will be in 10 years is depending on the decisions you make today. Think about that. Your future self cannot come back. And fix your mistakes today. Only you can do that. Right now. So start today. Save something, even if it is small. Learn something new about money. Even one thing. Spend with intention, not with impulse. Because every smart decision you make today is a gift to your future self. Money is not complicated, but it requires attention. It requires discipline. And it requires one simple decision. I will learn. I will grow. I will be smart with my money. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start. One step today, one better decision tomorrow. That is all it takes. Your financial future is not decided by luck, it is decided by knowledge. And you just took the first step. If this video opened your eyes today, give it a thumbs up. Share it with one person who needs to hear this. And subscribe for more powerful lessons every week, because knowledge is the only investment that never loses value. See you in the next one.